And really, as we move forward, all of these studies emerged in animals. And this is from the Daily Mail when this paper was published. And so we really need to move into humans to be able to see where this is going overall. And one of the ways that people have started to look at this is in fecal transplantation as a way to modify the microbiome in humans. So taking someone else's poo. Would you do it? Well, it mightn't sound that great, but if you had Clostridium difficile infection, a hospital-borne infection, you would, because in this editorial is from a paper that the 90% success rate. And so people are looking at newer, more aesthetically pleasing ways to deliver this new old medicine. But the question remains is, does this have any effect on brain health? And I'm not aware of human data yet. I'm almost scared to look on YouTube to see what I would find. But there is a very intriguing study from Steve Collins' group in Canada. And what they showed was that 2 different strains of mice differed very much in their anxiety behavior. But they also had different microbiome. So could the microbiome be shaping this anxiety behavior? So they did a fecal transplant. And they took the microbiome from the Swiss mouse and gave it to a BALB/c and vice versa. And they basically turned the Swiss mouse into a BALB/c behaviorally and vice versa. So this is in an animal model. It's telling us that you can transplant behavior. And it also means, so basically you're going from being resilient to being susceptible. It also means if you ever have to get a fecal transplant for C. diff, in addition to getting the donor worked up for infectious disease, you might need to get a good psychological profile of your donor, just in case.